Give it back to him now. Says no. He's taking off with it. Joshua, this way. Throw it to Grandma. Joshua, throw it here. Come here. Throw it here, Joshua. Exactly. He's looking at you like, no. Grandma gonna get you. You better run. He's gonna get you.